Attention luxury brands and visionary designers. Are you ready to elevate your reach and captivate a global audience? In the heart of the country, where tradition meets innovation, lies a challenge for brands: how to effortlessly reach every discerning customer in the country and abroad. Whether you hail from the rich traditions of the country or the global epicenters of luxury, Prelegant offers a prestigious stage to amplify your brand's story. Say farewell to local markets' constraints and global logistics complexities. Prelegant simplifies the journey, ensuring your creations reach global audience seamlessly. Our cutting-edge platform not only showcases your creations with unparalleled elegance, but also enhances your brand's visibility and prestige among discerning clientele. Partner with Prelegant and unlock limitless opportunities for growth and recognition. Your luxury creations will shine amidst a curated collection of the world's finest. Prelegant, where craftsmanship meets global acclaim. Elevate your luxury brand to new heights of success by partnering with us. Prelegant, because you are premium and elegant.